Inhalant hazard, driving while intoxicated, Part 1. Solvents, aerosols, gases, and nitrates are examples of inhalants, which are a class of frequently misused psychoactive compounds that can only be consumed via inhalation. The majority of inhalants are products that are not meant to be consumed by humans and are not meant to be used as either illicit or legal drugs. Almost anyone may purchase these items, and they are present in almost all homes, from the millions of retailers that are spread throughout the United States. Spray paints, glues, hairsprays, cleaning agents, lighter fluids, and markers are some of them. Inhaling inhalant fumes through the nose or mouth has a variety of mind-altering effects. It's also known as sniffing, snorting, huffing, or bagging. Inhalants are widely overused by younger teenagers since they are simple to obtain. One current study discovered that before entering 8th grade, 1 in 4 American students had used a common item on purpose to get high at least once. Every year, more than 2.6 million kids between the ages of 12 and 17 use inhalants. At the age of 12, 59% of American kids say they have acquaintances who use inhalants. Abuse of inhalants is exceedingly harmful, but it is difficult to determine the exact extent of this danger because many deaths connected to inhalants are mistakenly attributed to other causes. We are aware that even after only one usage, inhalants can have serious physiological effects, lead to overdose, and even result in death. A startling 3,800 emergency room visits per state were caused by inhalants on average in 2008. A result of inhalants. An almost immediate impact is produced by inhaling the vapors from an inhalant, and it typically lasts a few minutes. In that they slow down the brain and central nervous system. Many of the compounds present in common inhalants are depressants. Depending on the chemical taken, the exact symptoms will vary, however typical side effects of inhalant usage include severe wooziness, cognitive dissonance, mild auditory and visual hallucinations, excessive laughter, having trouble coordinating and feeling inebriated, terrible headache, vomiting, falling asleep, mood changes, aggressive attitude. Inhalant abuse comes with a variety of, frequently major health hazards. Depending on the exact chemical composition of the product being inhaled, different impacts could occur. Remember that the majority of aerosols, solvents, and other commonly misused inhalants include a cocktail of dangerous compounds, none of which were created with the intention of being consumed by humans. See the following list of typical inhalant components and their associated health risks, ingredients in inhalants and health. Butyl nitrate with amyl. Heart problems and damaged blood cells result from immune system deficiencies. Propane and butane, commonly present in hairspray and lighter fluid, can harm the heart and lead to burns. Benzene, available in gasoline, can result in immune system harm, reproductive problems, bone marrow deterioration, and an elevated risk of leukemia. Freon, commonly present in aerosol sprays and cooling solutions, can result in liver damage, lung problems, and heart damage. Nitrogen dioxide, also known as laughing gas, can lead to heart damage, loss of feeling, distorted perception, muscle spasms, and blackouts. Hexane, frequently located in glues, carries the same dangers as nitrous oxide and has the potential to be fatal. Toluene, discovered in kerosene, paint thinner, and corrective fluids. Cognitive impairment, brain damage, loss of coordination, hearing and visual abnormalities, liver damage, and kidney damage are all known to occur. Chloromethylmethylene, found in paint thinners and degreasers, can harm blood cells in the heart. Trichloroethylene, found in industrial cleansers and degreasing chemicals. It is known to harm the heart, the liver, the reproductive system, and cause hearing and vision loss.